You're not alone. Between subscriptions you forgot about, sneaky bank fees, and that latte habit, keeping track of where your hard-earned cash goes can feel impossible. But what if there was an app, a financial bloodhound if you will, that could sniff out ways to save you money? Well, that's exactly what the Snoop app does. Intrigued? Let's dig in and see if this financial watchdog can be your new best friend. Snoop 101, your all-seeing money guardian. First things first, Snoop isn't some creepy app spying on your every purchase. It actually utilizes open banking technology, which means it connects securely to your bank accounts and credit cards. This allows Snoop to see your entire financial picture, from your checking account to that credit card you use for, occasional online shopping sprees. Now, with this newfound knowledge, Snoop goes into action. It categorizes your spending, tracks your bills, and even flags any unusual charges. Think of it as a superpowered financial statement that can break down your spending habits in a way that's actually easy to understand. Saving Sherlock, how Snoop helps you save cash. Here's where Snoop truly shines. Based on your spending patterns, Snoop becomes your personal money-saving Sherlock Holmes. Here are some of its key cases. Subscription Slayer, we all know the struggle of forgetting about those monthly subscriptions we barely use. Snoop identifies these sneaky subscriptions and helps you cancel them with a few clicks. Bill Buster, do you ever feel like you're constantly overpaying for bills? Snoop can analyze your bills and see if you're getting the best deals. It can even alert you when it's time to renegotiate your rates with providers. Fee fo fum, bank fees be gone. Bank fees can be a real drag. Snoop can help you identify and avoid unnecessary charges, keeping more money in your pocket. Voucher Vulture, love a good deal? Snoop is on the hunt for you too. It scours the web for vouchers and discounts at your favorite stores, so you can save on everything from groceries to clothing. Unexpected Expense Exterminator, life throws financial curveballs sometimes. Snoop can help you identify unexpected price hikes or hidden charges, giving you a heads up before your budget gets ambushed. Snoop's caveats, no app is perfect. While Snoop is a powerful tool, it's important to remember it's not a magic bullet. Here are some things to keep in mind. Security, since Snoop connects to your financial accounts, security is naturally a concern. The good news is Snoop utilizes secure open banking technology, so your information is protected. However, it's always a good practice to be cautious and only connect Snoop to reputable financial institutions. Limited functionality, Snoop is great for managing your everyday finances, but it doesn't offer features like investment tracking or complex budgeting tools. You're still in control. Snoop provides insights and suggestions, but ultimately, you decide what actions to take. It can't magically stop you from hitting that buy now button. Snoop verdict, a worthy watchdog for your wallet. So, is Snoop the financial app for you? If you're tired of feeling lost in the world of personal finance, and you're looking for a helping paw to save money and gain control of your spending, then Snoop is definitely worth a try. It's free to use, secure, and can be a real eye-opener when it comes to your spending habits. Remember, financial literacy is key. Snoop can be a valuable tool, but it's important to use it alongside your own budgeting and saving strategies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.